best and worst foods for diabetes. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our health series. My name is Dr. Priyanka Mathur. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that affects millions of people around the world, diabetes. Whether you are living with diabetes or want to learn how to prevent it, understanding what to eat is crucial. So in this episode, we are going to explore the best and worst foods for diabetes. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the bell icons for notifications. Your food choices matter a lot when you have diabetes. Some are better than others, but nothing is completely off limits. You won't get diabetes from enjoying a small amounts of sweets once in a while. But sugary treats are usually empty calories. Try these better options to manage both your diabetes and your sweet tooth. Number 1. Starch. These are a type of carbohydrate which is the main source of energy for your body. Starch are also called complex carbs, which provide vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Grains, beans, and vegetables all contain starch, but some starches are better for you if you have diabetes. Best starch choices may include whole grains such as brown rice, oatmeal, or quinoa, baked sweet potato, plain porridge, seeded breads, including loaves with flax, chia, sunflower, or pumpkin seeds, whole wheat pita or roti. Try to limit highly processed starch such as white rice and white flour, naan bread made from refined flour, fried yuca fries, fried white flour tortilla chips. Number 2, sweets. Now, sugary foods can cause dangerous spikes in your blood sugar level, and high blood sugar over time can lead to serious diabetes complications. Carbohydrates found in most vegetables and whole grains don't affect blood sugar as much. And even though they are needed for energy, carbs like sugar don't always help. If you count carbs, it's better to choose healthier options most of the time than cut sugar altogether. A small amount of candy, pie, cake, or other sweet treat is okay once in a while. If you are at a party, you can swap a slice of a cake or a scoop of ice cream with a healthier type of carbs like dried fruit or plantain. Foods with artificial sweeteners are one way you can satisfy your cravings with no carbs or calories. Others have carbohydrates that are absorbed into the blood more slowly than table sugar, so they don't pose a threat to your blood sugar levels. Best options for sweets include fresh juice like orange or passion fruit, foods with low carbs like strawberry, desserts with more natural sweeteners. Worst choices are like regular pancakes or waffle syrup, deep fried desserts like Cheerios or funnel cakes, candy, cookies, tarts, and puddings. Number 3, vegetables. Load up. Vegetables are among the healthiest forms of carbs. You'll get lots of fiber, and unless you add salt or fat, they have a very little of both. Now, best choices in vegetables are fresh veggies, raw, lightly steamed, roasted, or grilled. Plain frozen vegetables, lightly steamed, greens such as kale, spinach, and arugula, tabbouleh, and types of nutrient-rich salads. Low sodium or unsalted canned vegetables. Worst choices are canned vegetables with lots of added sodium, salt. Veggies cooked with lots of added butter, cheese, or sauce. Pickles has high sodium. Limit them if you have a high blood pressure. Number 4, fruits. They give you the vitamins and minerals you need. Most of them are naturally low in fat and sodium, but they tend to have more carbs than vegetables do. Best choices are fresh fruits, plain frozen fruit or fruit canned without added sugar, jam, jelly, or preserves with a little or no sugar, applesauce with no added sugar. Now the worst choices are canned fruit with heavy sugar syrup, chewy fruit rolls, regular jam and jelly preserves unless you have a very small portion, sweetened fruit gummies. Number 5, protein. You have lots of choices, but try to stay away from salted, processed proteins like salami, since they are bad for blood pressure and heart health. You are more prone to high blood pressure or heart condition if you have diabetes. Now, best choices are plant-based proteins such as beans, nuts, seeds, or fresh tofu. fish and seafood, chicken and other poultry, and eggs. The worst choices are fried meats, higher fat cuts of meat such as ribs, pork bacon, regular cheeses, poultry with skin, deep fried fish or tofu, beans prepared with lard. Number 6, fats and oils. Now, they are tough to resist, but it's easy to get too much and gain unhealthy weight, which makes it harder to manage your diabetes. There are good fats like unsaturated fats, bad fats like trans fat, and saturated fats, which can be good or bad depending on how much you have. Now, big portions of saturated fats are not the best for your health, but a little in your diet is okay. Some experts suggest you keep your saturated fat under 10% of your daily calories. And now ask your doctor what your limit should be if you have diabetes. Trans fats are bad for your heart. They are so unhealthy that they are banned from most foods in the United States. Check the ingredient list for anything that's partially hydrogenated. Even if the label says it has 0 grams of trans fat, when partially hydrogenated fats are made, they form trans fats. Now, best choices are natural sources of vegetable fats such as nuts, seeds, or avocado, high in calories, so keep portions small. Foods that give you omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon, tuna, canola oil, grapeseed, or olive oils. Worst choices: partially hydrogenated foods, solid margarines, vegetable shortenings, red meat, coconut oil, palm oil, bacon grease. So there you have it. The best and worst foods for diabetes. Remember to make healthy choices and consult with your healthcare provider for personalized plan. Take care of yourself. This video was sponsored by MediPocket Cross-Border Care, where their mission is to provide quality healthcare without borders. Take care of yourself, and we will see you in the next video with more health and medical tips.